Good morning students. How are you? बच्चे last week we have done subtraction of 4-digit numbers with borrowing. Clear बेटा? Last week we have done subtraction of 4-digit numbers with borrowing. And today we will do subtraction when there is zero in upper number. Subtraction when there is zero in upper number. Clear beta? Now the first sum is 8270 minus 2659. Number is 8270 minus 2659. Now there is zero at ones place. There is zero at ones place. So this zero will borrow 1 from the next digit. We can't subtract 9 from 0. So this 0 will borrow 1 from 7. This 0 has borrowed 1 from 7 tens. It has become 10. Now this 7 has given 1. So it will become 6 tens. Is it clear beta? This 0 has borrowed 1 from 7. It has become 10. And then this 7 has given 1 to 0. So it has become 6. Now 10 minus 9 is 1. 6 minus 5 is again 1. Clear beta? Now there is no need to borrow from the next digit because 6 is greater than 5. We only borrow when upper digit is smaller than the lower digit. Is it clear, bache? Now next digit is 2. Again this is smaller. This will borrow 1 from 8 thousands. Clear beta? This will become 12 hundreds. And this 8 thousands will become 7. Now 12 minus 6 is 6. 7 minus 2 is 5. Clear beta? This 0 has borrowed 1 from 7. Now this 7 has given 1, so it has become 6. Now this 6 will not borrow because it is greater than 5. Again this 2 is smaller. This has borrowed 1 from 8. Clear bache? So the answer we get is 5611. Don't forget to write down answer. Is it clear? Now the next sum is 7300 minus 5278. Now there are two zeros. One 0 is at ones place and second 0 is at tens place. Now what will happen? This 0 will borrow 1 from next digit. But second digit is also 0. So it can't give 1 to the first digit. So what will it do? It will borrow 1 from 3. This second 0 will borrow 1 from 3. Now this 0 will get 1 and it will become 10. Clear beta? This 0 has get 1. So it has become 10. Now this 3 has given 1. So it will become 2. Clear beta? Still this 10 has to give 1 to first digit. Now this will give 1 to this 0. This 0 will become 10 and this has given 1, so it will become 9. Is it clear beta? First 0 will borrow from second 0. Second 0 will borrow from third digit. Clear beta? Third digit will become 1 less and second digit will give 1 to first 0 after borrowing 1 from the third digit. Now 10 minus 8 is 2. Now 9 minus 7 is again 2. Now this 2 and 2 both are same. So there is no need to borrow. 2 minus 2 is 0. Clear beta? 2 minus 2 is 0. And again 7 is greater. 7 minus 5 is 2. 7 minus 5 is 2. Answer is 2022. What is the answer? 2022. Is it clear beta? Now the next sum is 9,000 minus 4,785. 9,000 minus 4,785. Now there are 3 zeros. 0 at 1's place, 0 at 10's place, 0 at 100's place. Now what will happen? First 0 will borrow 1 from next. This digit 0 doesn't have any number, so it will borrow from third. Again third doesn't have any number, so it will borrow from the fourth digit. Is it clear beta? This third digit will borrow 1 from 9,000s. Now this has borrowed 1. It has become 10. Now this has given 1. It has become 8. Is it clear beta? Now this 10 will give 1 to this 0. It will become 9. This will become 10. Now this 10 will give 1 to first 0. It will become 9 and it will become 10. Clear beta? First 0 will borrow from second. Second will borrow from third. Third 0 will borrow from 9. It will borrow 1 from 9. It will become 10. Clear bache? It will give 1 to next 0. It will become 9. This 10 will give 1 to first 0. It will again become 9 and first 0 will become 10. Now 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 7 is 2. And 8 minus 4 is 4. Is it clear beta? 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 7 is 2. 8 minus 4 is 4. Now the answer is 4,215. Is it clear bache? That's all for today. Thank you.